Today we're actually in the truck at the gas station. I drove it down here, no insurance or anything, but I drove it down here just to see how it did with that new radiator. And it doesn't seem to be doing too bad. It doesn't leak at all. Do you want a receipt? Yes. One moment, please. $10, there we go. That's it. Hold the camera.
What?
Hold my camera.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna be driving home now. Are you buckled? Give me it now. Or right now. Until we start driving. I could probably have it up driving too. I could probably have it on in my hand while I'm driving, but you know. I'm here with my gay old brother. I mean,
Hi,
straight
guys.
brother.
Hi.
I don't even know anymore. Dude, your glasses are fucking filthy, man. I can even see out of them. Jeez. Okay, let's see if I can get home now.
That's weird. That was weird.
Alright. Took forever to start there. Come on, Trance. Engage. God damn it. Get down in the first. Fucking piece of shit. Hold the camera. Just hold mine. You don't need to be on first.
Put that there. Holy shit. So. God damn it! Okay. There. Now I'm holding both.
Give me it. Damn thing keeps dying. Again!
Guys.
Mother fucker. Same thing my Jeep did.
It must be a Chrysler problem.
Stop laughing.